but I think I see it. That's it, we found it. The roof structure is completely compromised here. That center beam is holding everything up right now. I'm gonna duck under this leaning joist. Oh my God, holy shit. There it is, I found it. Oh my God, what happened here? Okay, hood compression at 12 inches, roof lift 0.1 here, trunk beam angle right below is 70 to 100 ton crease. All right, bring it left, slow, stop, perfect.
Copy, setting outriggers now.
Boom up, easy, right over the logs. Strap is good, shackle set. All right, crane, you can take the tension. All right, let's clear these bales from the back.
Got it. Watch that twisted metal.
We're making good progress. The Charger's really showing now.
Yep, iconic shape despite the damage.
All right, roof's completely caved, touching seat tops. A pillar's gone, B pillar's twisted, tree right through the back. This is WS, J code. It's real. A genuine 69 Hemi RT. We can save it. Keep it coming. Straight back, nice and slow. Stop, stop. Hold it there. Winch out. Okay, pull it. Take it easy. It's coming. Keep it steady. Slowly. It's coming out. Hold the line. All right, it's clear. Stop. Let's get a look at it. Hood severely buckled. Beam damage. Fenders crushed. Grille and headlights destroyed. Complete teardown required.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Seats are destroyed. Dash cracked. Total restoration. Okay, let's get it in here. Stop, just like that. Good. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Yeah, that's not good. Significant frame damage. The frame rail has a severe tornado twist and buckling from compression forces. Structural integrity is compromised and the mounting point. All right, fenders off. Next we tackle this hood. Oh, looks pretty seized. Just need to be systematic. This one needs to be perfect. All right, time to pull this beauty out. Heavy, but it's coming. There she is. The Hemi lives. Complete reproduction. Dashboard cracked through center, instrument cluster destroyed, wiring harness compressed and damaged, seats compressed flat, frames bent. Total loss. Okay, let's get some measurements on this twist. It's definitely holding a lot of stress there.
Yeah.
Just a little more tension on the frame machine. This Charger suffered a direct hit. The frame is twisted, but we're gonna pull it back to spec. Adjusting the pull points now. We need setting it in now perfectly.
And holding.
Just need to finish this pass. Looking strong. And now to smooth it out.
You've got to find every imperfection, take your time.
Yeah.
Just a little filler here, refine the shape,
Yeah.
blend it in, make it perfect. Ready for high build now.
All right, time to mix up some of that iconic Hemi orange.
Woo.
Carefully adding the tints. Precision is everything. Spectacular, absolutely perfect. Ready for reassembly. All right, front bumper's on. Now for the side trim, line it up perfectly. Just the door handle now, finishing touches. All right, the split grille goes here. Tabs engaged, looks good. Now for the headlights. All right, Hemi, time to go home. Looks perfect. Just need to line this up. All right, seats in, panels next. Finally, the wheel, perfect, absolutely perfect. All right, perfect. Just the right amount of torque on those. Looks incredible, ready to hit the road. All right, time to wake you up. Yes, she's alive. Listen to that rumble. All right,